This is in regard to silver prices that have hit a record high. We're talking about the rate of silver that's above 1 lakh for 1 kg of silver. And this is because the demand for this asset has increased. So after gold, that has in fact hit the roof, it is now the pricing of silver that has substantially gone up as well. And to know more on this, we have Sakshi Bajaj joining us. Sakshi, what's driving the markets here in terms of the pricing of gold? I mean, after the prices of gold and oil, crude oil, have gone up because of the conflict we're seeing in Iran and Israel. Now, the pricing of silver, as far as domestic market is concerned, the pricing of silver has gone up as well.
Yeah, I can't.
Sakshi joining us to get us the very latest. Sakshi, after the pricing of gold, now we're seeing the pricing of silver also gone up substantially. We're talking about 1 lakh rupees for 1 kg of silver.
Absolutely. Silver price is hitting a record high, silver crossing that 1 lakh mark per kilogram. And of course, for our viewers to understand, investors flocking to the safe haven in the midst of rising geopolitical concerns, in particular the Israel-Iran conflict escalating. And many believe that really is the reason we are seeing a continuous uptick as far as silver rates are concerned. Now, important to remember here that while from an investor perspective, this is giving returns, from a consumer perspective, the precious metal is only getting more expensive. Earlier, we of course saw the gold prices surge, to a record high, but now many saying that silver really is becoming the new gold as far as youngsters are concerned, young consumers are concerned, and experts also saying that, remember, as far as silver is concerned, there's a very interesting differentiation from gold here. Remember, silver is also an industrial usage metal here, and so therefore silver rate spiking is of course raising all eyebrows.